Hi everyone, welcome back to our 宙斯 channel. We believe many Range Rover Sport owners are looking for a plug-and-play interior upgrade essential. So don't miss today's video. Look here. What I'm holding now is our Range Rover Sport crystal gear knob. Its outer packaging alone is enough to impress us. This crystal gear knob comes in two colors, black and silver. Its overall shape is very three-dimensional and angular, which complements the luxurious and sporty style of the Range Rover Sport. As for its installation, you just need to use grab tool to lift the original gear knob cover of the car. Then gently snap our crystal gear knob into place to complete the installation. Isn't it very simple and easy to operate? If you want to make your Range Rover Sport look more high-end, don't miss our crystal gear knob. It can add a strong sense of luxury and artistry to your Range Rover Sport interior. Follow me and give a like. There will be more exciting content waiting for you to unlock in next episode. See you next time. Bye!